April 7th, grade 4, understanding multiplicative comparisons. So it says warm up, and you can see right here we have two shapes, shape A and shape B. Rectangle A area, so to find the area, we know we can do length times width, but we can also just count the squares. So I'm going to zoom in a little and see if we can get a better look at this. So I see there's 3 here for A, so let's skip count up by 3. So 3, 6, then 9. Very good. So the area, sorry if you can hear my dog barking in the background, the area for rectangle A we just discovered was 9. Okay, now it says calculate the area for rectangle B. So again, I see that there's 3 here, so we're going to skip count again by 3s and to find the total area. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Okay, so our total area for rectangle B is 18. Awesome. Another way that we can find the area is we can multiply length times width. So if you look, the length here is 3, and the length here is also 3, and we know that 3 times 3 equals 9. And we can do the same thing to find the area for the shape of B. So 3 is here. And let's see the width. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 times 6 equals 18. And that's a good way to show your work because we can count squares, but it is faster to multiply length times width because when our shapes get bigger, it's definitely going to be more difficult to count and continue. So the next part of our problem said, how many times larger is rectangle B than A? So this is a great time to pause the video and go back to the links that are in your Google Classroom and get a refresher. But if you want to do that, great time to pause and jump out and come back. If you want to keep going, this is our warm-up. We can keep going. You don't have to pause the video. So we just said that the area of rectangle A is 9, and the area of rectangle B is 18. So to figure out how many times larger, we need to figure out 9 times what equals 18. So 9 times what equals 18? So we can do 2 things. So we can look at A and we can do a visual. We said this was 9. So if we broke, I'm going to use a different color. If we broke square root of B into 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, we said this is equal to A. This is A. And when I look at what's left over, I also see 3 by 3. So that means that 2 A's are equal to 1 B. So this is double the size. So if we double, we know we multiply by 2. So 9 times 2 equals 18. So how many times larger is it? It's 2 times larger because we know that 9 times 2 equals 18.